Alright, you guys. Currently recording this on my phone. Sorry, I don't have my camera right now, but as you guys can see, I'm super sorry I didn't vlog this. I should have vlogged this, but I'm fixing the BMW, fixing up the F80. I should have vlogged this, but dude, I was super focused. I didn't want to, have to get the camera and then, also do all of this, taking all this parts, the bolts. It's just so much work, So I hope you guys can understand. I wish I would have vlogged it, but I just want to be able to log in, and not worry about the camera. But hey guys, me and my boy Josh and Darius, they came over and helped me out with the exhaust camshaft issue on the F80. So there's a little ticking noise that's been happening with the F80, and what happened is a lot of the S55 with the camshaft, it wasn't torqued down to spec. So all these little cam ledge bolts, I just need to take them out, replace it with the, where's the bolts? Where did I leave them? Dude, I lost the damn bolt. Oh, it's right here. Replace it with these bolts and torque it down to spec, and we should be good. And also doing some other small maintenance, such as like spark plugs. I want to do these injectors, the fuel injectors, because they do look a little bad. And then same thing on here, just a little buildup. This part is loose. But yeah. But yeah, you guys, let's take off this bolt. I don't want to break this plastic piece, so I really got to be careful with this one. There we go. There we go. These are the old bolts. Just gonna set them over here. Get the new bolts out. Oh, wrong way. Torque wrench set on the ground, so it's better. 82. Now we're just gonna torque this down the spec. Start on top. There we go. Top of that. Okay. After that, I'm gonna have to do a 60-degree turn. I know a lot of you guys are in the comments are gonna yell at me for not getting a actual dial so I can see, the degrees. I don't know whatever that's called, but I'm just gonna eyeball it for now. So I'm gonna have this lined up straight, and I'm gonna just do a 60-degree turn. There we go. That's about 60 degrees. Ah, there you go. There we go. Okay, that's about 60. There we go, 82. There we go. Perfect. All done. So all of these cam ledge bolts are all in with the new and out with the old. Finally. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thighs. Oh my goodness. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry that I'm on my phone right now, but as you guys can see, we got our boy some charge pipes, because your boy's F80's charge pipe is doo-doo water, is dog water. So if you guys don't know, the F80's charge pipes are all plastic. A lot of plastic pieces are being used in the F80 in an actual M car. Like, what the fuck? I decided to get some charge pipe because the pipes wouldn't stop freaking popping off on me. So yeah, I gotta get some new charge pipe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I do enjoy making them, so. Let's see if I could just slide this right out. Can I just slide it out? Yes, sir. There we go. Here's the carbon brace. I just set it aside right over here. The good part. Ooh. Come on, boy. Oh, there we go. Look at this plastic charge pipe, man. All right. First one is out. Just gonna leave this aside. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Sheesh. And it matches the car color too a little bit. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to repaint this though. Oh my.
The next day.
Sheesh. What a beautiful morning. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. So as you guys can see, there's one thing that I need to do with the F80 after being fixed. Is to take this car to a car meet. Alright guys, we're gonna be so late. It literally starts at 8 and it stops at 10. Just picked up my boy right now. Hopefully, hopefully we can get there in time, man. Alright guys, just arrived in LA. We did cut some time. I forgot earlier. I probably cut like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I forgot how much.
At least 30 seconds.
At least 30 seconds.
Minimum.
Dang, bro. GTA lobby, bro. Yo, I don't know if the camera can even pick that up, but GTA.
I can see this.
Alright, guys. We're about to go to the museum. What is this museum called? Petersen? Oh, Petersen. Oh my goodness, bro. My English is bad too.
We were about the Oscars.
Oh, these are the Oscars place?
I don't know.
Oh, these are just museums. I thought this is where they pass out the Oscars, bro. I was about to say, no way. This goofy ass building, bro. Dude, there's a lot of Porsches, man. A lot of Porsches. Oh. Hey, look at that.
Oh, rap.
Sheesh, bro. Imagine like driving in one of these, bro.
Imagine these buckets in the GR.
Dude. Nah, these buckets in GR will be a waste. I would sell them, bro. Dude, look how wide this thing is, bro. Bro, if you think about it, bro, this is basically a GRD6, bro. Dude. I actually never seen this body kit in my life. Bro, this is a crazy kit, bro. Why does it make the car look so different, bro? Damn. Imagine, I know, bro. Dude. Dude, the interiors, dude, it smells so new, too. Wow. Yo, this is what we need for the toll gate runs. All the mountain runs that we do. But I got a drone though, so stay tuned, you guys. Mountain runs are gonna be crazy with the drone. Sheesh. Dude. Imagine getting in and out of this. Oh.
Alright guys, here at your drivers meeting. Front Cayman.
Jeez. Where should we park at? Right here? Oh, these are all red, bruh. Oh, there's cops right there. Jeez. Yo, buddy.
But does it sound like the pops are like right here in the back side?
Yeah. This crazy POV drives right now, my boy.
Is this still stock exhaust?
Yeah, stock exhaust, stock.
No mufflers? No different mufflers?
Nope, same shit. Woo. Oh, look at these houses, man.
See, like $1 million for that. It's like, what the fuck?
No way, dude. It's such a
That's
nice
nice,
area, though, bro.
And look at that.
Yeah,
Fucking
these are like
Roblox
townhouses.
houses,
No cap. But this area is so nice, though. They're
Yeah, they
old.
have
They're
an
all.
Ultima in the front.
Yeah, they're all like old, you know.
Yeah.
All these house styles are old. Hey, my intake sounds so much louder, bro.
Yeah.
Today, the car just feels good today, bro.
Still stock intake?
Yeah. I just got the J pipe. I mean, not the J pipe,
That
though.
sounds so crazy.
Look at this RS6 right here, you guys. Oh my goodness. So beautiful.
Now imagine what they have in the fucking garage.
Oh, yeah. Dude, you guys, the Burbleton sounds so much better. But I'm being so honest, you guys. I don't know why. I actually kind of don't like Burbleton that much no more after actually like hearing it, because it's low-key a little bit too loud. So I might go back to the OEM Burbos. But let me know in the comments down below, you guys. No Burbos or OEM Burbos, or keep it at this Burbo. Alright, you guys. Some scary road, man.
Toge route?
So Toge road. Imagine this road togeing a rally. Oh my goodness. A rally here would be crazy.
We should take a picture here.
Should we? Yo, perfect parking. Yo, hold up. You guys, sheesh. This is so beautiful. Oh wait, let me run over here. Oh my goodness, bro. You guys, we just cooked up a fire spot right here for pictures. Look at this beautiful. Oh, there's cars coming. Oh man. All right, time to get in. Time to get in.